equation. Now, the equation of the quadratic equation x squared given x squared, or ax squared rather, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. X, the solution of the equation is minus b plus or minus root b squared. You're not saying anything. Minus 4ac over 2a. Exactly. That therefore means x equals minus b plus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, or x equals what? Minus b minus root b squared minus 4ac, please. It's not plus, minus over 2a. Exactly. So we want to represent this, you know, we want to have a representation for the first one and another representation for the second one. Represent this with something and the second with something else. Exactly. The two of them are the roots of the equation. So let's go. What do we say? Let the first one be alpha. Let alpha be equal to minus b plus root b squared minus 4ac. You are not saying anything over 2a. And beta be equal to minus b minus root b squared minus 4. You cannot just be spectating. You should also partake in the exercise. Now let's go. Now sum of roots will be what? We have called the roots alpha and beta. So sum of roots means alpha plus beta. Exactly. Product of roots means alpha beta. Exactly. Sum of roots will be equal to alpha. Going over it again. Alpha plus beta, which is equal to what? Minus b plus root. Let's go.
Minus b plus b.
Minus b plus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
Plus minus b minus b.
Yes, put that in brackets. Minus b minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Beautiful, beautiful. So what does that mean? Where do we go from there?
Find the
what's the LCM of the denominators?
yes.
2a, right? 2a divided by 2a is 1 times the numerator will still be what it is.
Minus b
Minus 4ac plus, put the bracket, 2a divided by 2a is 1 multiplied by the numerator will remain what it is. Minus b minus root minus 4ac. Exactly. You should be able to do this yourself if you have to do it. It's simple. Just make sure you are careful enough not to make mistakes. Exactly. So what does that mean? Minus b plus root b squared minus 4ac. When you open the bracket, what do you have?
Minus b minus.
Yeah, minus b minus. Very good, very good. B squared minus 4ac. Exactly. Over 2a. Beautiful. Over 2a. Beautiful. Where do we go from there? Let's go. Let's go. Where do we go from there? I hope you have that already now. You have that already. You don't need to write that. You have it already. Now let's go. So what does that mean? Look at that. Root b squared minus 4ac minus root b squared minus 4ac is 0. So what are we left with? Minus 2b, beautiful, over 2a. Exactly. And that's what? So that therefore means the sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b over a. Exactly. Not minus 2b now. 2 cancels 2, and we're left with minus b over a.
That's b minus b over a.
Is that correct? Now, product of roots. Product of roots is what? Alpha, beta, right?
Yes.
Good. So you have all of this already. You have written that. So let's just go to the product and you continue from where you stopped. Alpha beta is what? What is alpha? What's alpha?
Alpha minus b plus root b square minus 4ac over 2a.
Beautiful. Minus b plus root b square
Plus
minus
4ac
4ac over 2a times, what is beta? Times what? What's beta?
times minus b minus root b square minus 4ac.
Times minus b minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Is that correct?
Yes.
So let's go. Let's multiply. When we multiply denominators, what do we have? Minus b times minus b, that's plus b squared.
Plus b
Minus b
squared.
times minus root b squared minus 4ac, that's plus b root b squared minus 4ac. Exactly.
Wait. Yes.
Minus, sorry, plus root b squared minus 4ac times minus b is what? Plus and minus, minus, and then minus b root b squared
b square
minus 4ac. Look at this one.
Yes.
Root b squared minus 4ac times plus root b squared minus 4ac times minus root b squared minus 4ac is what?
Minus 4
Minus the square of that. The square of root b squared
b square minus
minus 4ac minus the square of root b squared minus 4ac. Exactly.
Yes.
I want to make sure that is properly written. Minus the square of root b square minus 4ac. Is that correct? All over what? What's the denominator? What's the denominator?
That's 4a square.
4a square. So let's go. What happens? B root b square minus 4ac minus b root b square minus 4ac is 0. So what are we left with? B square. Is that correct?
B square.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Minus the square of this one will be b square minus 4ac. I hope you know that that must be in brackets, because in minus is supposed to multiply the whole of it. Over what?
Over 4a, yes.
Over
4a square.
uh-huh. But you were going to say 4a. So let's go. What's it? Write that. Have you written that?
That's b square.
Have you written that?
Yes.
Good. So let's continue. That will be equal to what? B square. Let's go.
B square minus 4ac
Mm.
minus b square minus b square
Beautiful.
plus 4ac
Plus 4ac. Minus and minus 4ac is plus 4ac. Over what?
over 4a square.
Over 4a square. And that's what? B square minus b square is 0. And we're left with what? 4ac over 4a square. Exactly. 4 cancels 4. A in a square is a. So the answer is c over a. Exactly. So that means the product of the roots is what? Alpha beta is therefore c over a. Is that correct?
Yes.
Have you written all of that?
Yes.
Good. So the product of roots is c over a, and the sum of roots is minus b over. Minus b over what?
Minus b over a.
I want us to go over some algebraic identities, and we will write identities for the roots. Exactly. Now look at that. You should know this. Let's go. What is the square of? Write that. Let me write it. Algebraic identities. Let's go over these algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. Right. Algebraic identities. You have to be fast. Algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. So the square of the sum of two quantities, the square of the sum of two quantities is equal to the sum of their squares plus twice their product. Let me write it down for you to see. The square of the sum A plus B means a sum. Write it down. The square of the sum of two quantities Are you following? Two quantities is equal to the sum of their squares, 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 let me write it there. The sum of their squares plus what? Twice their product. The sum of their, that's how to remember. The sum of their squares plus twice their product.
Twice their.
Yes, so if I say P, the square of P plus Q, that's P square plus Q square plus 2PQ. The sum of their squares plus twice their product. Do you understand?
Yes.
Plus twice their product. The square of the sum of two quantities is equal to the sum of their squares plus twice their product. Is that clear?
Okay.
Do you understand? So the square of A plus B is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
that's one identity. There's another one, right? The square of the difference between two quantities, the square of A minus B is equal to the sum of their squares minus twice their product. Do you understand?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now let's write that. The square of the difference, you're not paying attention anymore. The square of the difference between two quantities, the square of the difference between two quantities is equal to the sum of their squares can you finish it? Minus what? Minus what? Twice their product. For the square of their sum, it will be plus twice their product. Is that clear? The square of the difference between two quantities is equal to the sum of their squares, A square plus B square, minus twice their product. The square of the sum of two quantities is equal to the sum of their squares plus twice their product, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. So, have you written that?
Yes.
Good. Now let's go. I hope you have written that. So, we've written two identities. So let me go that way. The square of A plus B is A square plus B square plus 2AB. The square of A minus B is the sum of their squares minus twice their product. Now, what is A square minus B square? What do they call this one? What do they always call this expression? Difference of two squares. This one is a square, this one is also a square. The minus between them is a difference. That's the difference of two squares. And it's A plus B times A minus B. Right. What else? Now let's go to the sum of two cubes. A cube plus B cube. Have you written that already?
Yes, I'm writing.
Beautiful. Finish it. Now, the sum of two cubes, A cube plus B cube, is A plus B times A square minus AB plus B square. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. Let's check that. Let's check if this one is truly the same as A cube plus B cube. Let's do a rough work here to see that. A plus B times A square minus AB plus B square. Expand that bracket and tell me the answer. Let's go. Expand the brackets and tell me. Let's go. Just tell me the next thing to write.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's a cube
A cube
minus a square b
beautiful minus a square b. Let's go.
and plus ab square
Plus ab square. Right on.
plus a square b.
A square b. Yes. Always arrange alphabetically. A before b, not b a square. It's the same, but
Yes.
it's conventional to arrange
Minus
alphabetically.
minus
Minus
ab square
ab square. Beautiful. Let's go.
plus b cube
Plus b cube. So let's see. Minus a square b plus a square b is 0. ab square minus ab square is 0. What are we left with?
yes.
What are we left with?
So that's a cube plus b cube.
A cube plus b cube. Beautiful. So that means a cube plus b cube is the same as a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
A cube minus b cube is a minus b into bracket a square plus ab plus b square. If you expand that too, you'll get a cube minus b cube. Now this is a trick.
Yes.
Listen, this is a trick to remember. For the sum of two
Yeah.
cubes, for a cube plus b cube, the first factor is a plus b. The second factor is actually, it's only in the second factor that there is one negative term, which is the middle term. For a cube minus b cube, the first factor is a minus b, and the second factor doesn't have any negative term. Exactly.
Okay. Yes.
Do you understand? You must know that offhand.
Yes.
Exactly. So, have you written that?
Yes.
Good. So now we can now write these for alpha and beta too. We can write it for alpha and beta. Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
We can write it for alpha and beta. So let's go. Then alpha plus beta. Look at that. I want to find an expression first. Have you written all of this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I want to find an expression
Yes.
for, yes, stop writing. I want to find an expression for alpha square plus beta square. Exactly.
Yes.
I want to find an expression for alpha square plus beta square. So let's go. Let's find what you call, write the identity for alpha square plus beta square. I can obtain that from the square of alpha plus beta. What's the square of alpha plus beta? That's alpha square, the square of the sum of two quantities, the sum of their squares, plus what? Twice their product. Is that clear? Now, if I bring this one to the left-hand side, I'm going to have the left-hand side will become alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. And the right-hand side, what I'll be left with on the right-hand side is alpha square plus beta square. Do you understand?
Yes.
So that therefore means alpha square plus beta square is the same as alpha plus beta all square minus what? 2 alpha beta. Right, write that quickly.
Yes.
You can leave a line after this one and start here. But just writing identities for some identities for alpha and beta. Alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. Have you written that?
So am I seeing it?
Good, good, good. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to alpha square minus beta square. What's alpha square minus beta square?
Alpha square. That's
That's the difference of two squares now.
yes.
Alpha.
Alpha
Let's go. Check it now. A square minus b square is what? What's
alpha
a?
plus beta
Alpha plus beta, beautiful. Times what?
goes by alpha minus beta.
Alpha minus beta. Beautiful, beautiful. Good. Now, that's another one. Leave a line after it.
Yes.
After this one, leave a line. Write this one. After this one, leave a line. Now, let's find an identity for alpha minus beta. To get alpha minus beta, we start with alpha, the square of alpha minus beta. Leave a line after this one and then write this. Exactly.
Okay.
Now let's go. The square of alpha minus beta is what? Alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Do you agree? The sum of their squares minus twice their product. That's the square of the difference between two quantities. Do you understand?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
And we want to find alpha minus beta. We already know that alpha square plus beta square is what? What's alpha square plus beta square? Alpha plus beta all square
Alpha plus beta
minus 2 alpha beta.
minus.
Do you understand? Instead of writing alpha square plus beta square, I'm writing this one because it represents alpha square plus beta square. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. So this represents alpha square plus beta square minus the 2 alpha beta that's already there. Do you understand? Minus this 2 alpha beta that's already there. Exactly.
Yes.
This represents alpha square plus beta square, and there's already minus 2 alpha beta, so you put it there. So what do we have? What do we then have?
That's yes. Alpha
Plus beta all
plus
square
beta
minus.
minus 4.
Beautiful. Minus 4 alpha beta. Beautiful. Beautiful.
That's
So this is the square of alpha minus beta. But we are finding alpha minus beta itself. So we find the square root of both sides. And the left hand side will be alpha minus beta. The right hand side will be the square root of the whole of that. Do you understand? Do you understand?
yes, sir.
Beautiful. That's the identity for alpha minus beta. So write that and let's go to the next one. Write that and let's go to the next one. Leave a line after that and go to the next one. Even if you don't remember, you can obtain any one of them yourself. You know, at times you may forget them and you might not really need to cram them. If you don't remember, you can just do, you know, you can obtain it yourself. Are you there?
Yes.
Good. So let's take another one. We've taken alpha square minus beta square. We've taken alpha square plus beta square. We've taken alpha minus beta. Let's go to, of course, we've taken alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Let's now take the cube of the sum of the cubes of alpha and beta. Do you understand? You've written this already. Is that clear?
Yes.
So let's take alpha cube plus beta cube and alpha cube minus beta cube. Look at that. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to what? Can you tell me? We have done, of course, we have written an identity for a cube plus b cube. So what is alpha cube plus beta cube?
Alpha cube plus
Beta cube.
yes. Alpha plus beta.
Alpha plus beta.
Alpha square minus alpha beta
Beautiful.
plus beta square.
Plus beta square. You must know that offhand. Exactly. That's the identity for alpha cube plus beta cube. But we can simplify further. Alpha plus beta. Let me rearrange this. If I rearrange this, I'm going to have alpha square plus beta square
Plus beta
minus.
square minus
Because I know that there's an identity for alpha square plus beta square. So wherever I see it,
yes.
it is that identity that I'm going to write. Exactly. So that means this is just a rearrangement of this. Alpha plus beta into bracket what? What is alpha square plus beta square?
That's alpha
Alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha
square.
beta.
Yes.
And then this one minus alpha beta. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Okay, yes.
Are you sure? If you
Yes.
don't understand, you know, don't hesitate to say so. We can go over it a million and one times. If you still don't get it, we can take a break, you know, go relax a bit and then come back. Now, into alpha plus beta all square. Minus alpha beta minus alpha beta is what?
And so beta minus alpha. That's Minus 3 alpha beta.
Minus 3 alpha beta. Beautiful. I'm happy you don't always miss that. You're smart. That's good. Good. So that's it. That's alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube. So leave a line and go to alpha cube minus beta cube. Let's go. What's alpha cube minus beta cube? You leave a line. Alpha cube minus beta cube is what? Alpha minus beta. Beautiful.
Alpha square plus alpha beta.
Alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square. We can simplify further because there's already an identity for alpha square plus beta square. So let me write it as alpha minus beta, and then write this as alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes.
And that's alpha minus beta
Alpha
into bracket. Alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta plus the alpha beta. Do you understand?
Okay, yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, beautiful.
2 beta.
So, yeah. And that means what? That means alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta now. This one
minus
is the same as this one.
2.
Do you understand?
How is it plus 2 beta?
No, that's not 2 beta. I wrote alpha beta. That's alpha beta, not 2 beta. Sorry, I didn't write it well. Do you understand now?
So alpha, how do you get minus 2?
Yes, now alpha square plus beta square. From here, I rearranged to have alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. And I already know that there's an identity for alpha square plus beta square, which is alpha plus beta all square minus alpha beta. This is alpha. Do you understand?
Okay.
Do you understand now?
Yes.
Do you understand now? So instead of writing alpha square plus beta square, I'm writing alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. Exactly. And this plus alpha beta is this one. Let me just write it this way. Alpha minus beta into, hold on a sec, alpha plus beta all square minus alpha beta. Now, alpha square minus beta square, let's continue. Alpha square minus beta square is what?
Alpha square minus beta square. That's alpha plus beta times alpha minus beta.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's take an example.
Yes.
Great. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, can you hear me? Of the equation 2x squared are the roots of the equation 2x squared minus 7x minus 3 equals 0. Find the values of of Roman figure 1. Quite a number of them right there. Alpha plus beta. Roman figure 2. Alpha beta. Roman figure 3. Alpha beta square plus alpha square beta. Roman figure 4. Alpha square plus beta square. Roman figure 5. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Roman figure 6. I think I should write that up here. Are you there? Let's write that here. Roman figure 6. Roman figure 6. Alpha, 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Roman figure 7. Alpha over beta plus 1 plus beta over alpha plus 1 plus beta over alpha plus 1. Have you written that? Have you written that?
Yes.
Great.
Geometric.
Great. Roman figure 8. Sorry? Yeah, I know. I'm not cleaning that part yet. Roman figure 8. Alpha over alpha plus 1 plus beta over beta plus 1. Roman figure 9. Alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. And the last one, Roman figure 10. 3 over alpha plus 3 over beta. Are you there? Beautiful. Let's go. Great. Have you written all of this?
Yes.
Great. Let's go. So we go to the solution. Tell me when you finish that. Don't be distracted, please. Let's go. We have all of that now. Alpha beta is C over A, which is what?
That's 3 over 2.
Now, what's the next one? What's the next one?
Alpha plus alpha squared.
Roman figure 3. Leave a line after each of them. Have you written that?
Yes.
Read that again. What Roman figure 3 is what?
Alpha beta squared plus alpha squared beta.
Plus alpha square beta. You'll see that alpha beta is common to the two terms. So you can write it as alpha beta into bracket. What are we going to be left with? What are we going to be left with?
That's alpha beta.
No, alpha beta. If you divide alpha beta square by alpha beta, what are you going to be left with?
That's beta.
Beta, beautiful. Plus alpha square beta divided by alpha beta, you'll be left with what?
That's alpha.
Alpha, beautiful. And this is the same as writing alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta. Beta plus alpha is the same as alpha plus beta. What is alpha beta?
Minus 3 over 2. Oh, that's
Times, what is alpha plus beta?
7 over 2.
7 over 2, beautiful. So the answer will be what? Minus 7 over 4, good. Write that, Roman figure 3. We go to Roman figure 4. What's Roman figure 4 quickly? What's Roman figure 4 quickly?
Alpha squared plus beta squared.
Say that again.
Alpha squared plus beta squared.
Now, what's the formula for alpha square plus beta square? It's in your notes. Check it and read it to me correctly.
Alpha squared. No, alpha plus beta squared.
Alpha plus beta all square.
Minus 2 alpha.
Beautiful. Minus 2 alpha beta. Beautiful. So that's what? What is alpha plus beta? We already have a value for alpha plus beta.
Alpha plus beta, that's 7 over 2.
7 over 2. That's 7 over 2 all square minus. What is alpha beta? No, minus 2 times alpha beta. What is alpha beta?
Minus 3 over 2.
Can you see the way I'm doing it? Minus 2 into bracket minus 3 over 2. Is that clear? And what does that mean? This will be 49 over what? 49 over 4.
Over 4.
2 here 1, 2 here 1. Is that correct? Minus 1 times minus 3, that's plus 3. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
So you know that this is 3 over 1. The LCM is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 49. 49 plus 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 3, 12. And the answer is what? Tell me. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Beautiful. The answer is what? 61 over what? Over 4. Beautiful. Let's go to Roman figure 5. I hope you have written that already. Roman figure 5 quickly. What does that say? We leave a line after each. What's Roman figure 5 quickly? Alpha. I cannot hear you now.
Alpha cube plus beta cube.
Alpha cube plus beta cube. Beautiful. Alpha cube plus beta cube. What's the formula for that? A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into bracket A square minus AB plus B square. Was that not the way I started? And I did alpha cube plus beta cube will be equal to alpha plus beta into bracket alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square. Do you good? Alpha plus beta into bracket alpha plus beta all square minus 3 alpha beta. Is that clear?
Yes.
So now, what is alpha plus beta? We're on the question on Roman figure 5. What's alpha plus beta? 7 over 2. Beautiful. 7 over 2. Is that clear? Into bracket alpha plus beta squared. That's the square of 7 over 2 minus 3 into bracket. What is alpha beta?
Alpha beta, that's minus 3 over 2.
Minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2. Is that clear? That's equal to what? This means what? 7 over 2. Is that clear? Is that clear? Into bracket. The square of 7 over 2 is what? 49 over 4. Is that correct? Now minus 3 times minus 3 over 2. That's plus 9 over 2. Do you understand? You can use this kind of bracket.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now you've copied this, right? Roman figure 4. I hope you are copying the right thing too. I hope you are copying the right thing. Now what does that mean? 49 over 4 plus 9 over 2. Let's work that out. That means 7 over 2 into bracket. The LCM is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 49. 49 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 9. 18. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now 49 plus 18 is what?
49 plus 18.
Yes.
That's 67.
Are you just doing it in your head? Are you doing it in your head?
Sir?
You should work it out. Don't just do it in your head. What's the answer? 469. Over 2 times 4. 2 times 4.
Yes.
8. So that's the answer. 469 over 8. Now Roman figure 6. What's Roman figure 6? Copy all of that first before we go to that. You copy that. Now what's the 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta? What's the LCM? What's the LCM of alpha and beta? Alpha?
Alpha beta.
Alpha beta, beautiful. Alpha beta divided by alpha is what? Times 1. Alpha beta divided by beta is what?
Alpha.
Sorry?
Alpha.
Alpha times 1.
Alpha times alpha. This is alpha.
Alpha beta divided by beta is alpha. Alpha times 1.
Alpha times 1. Alpha.
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 Alpha times 1 is alpha. So now we can rearrange as we can write it as alpha plus beta. Beta plus alpha is same as alpha plus beta over alpha beta. What's alpha plus beta?
Alpha plus beta. That's
7 over what?
7 over 2.
Divided by what's alpha beta?
Plus 3 over 2.
Minus 3 over 2. And that becomes 7 over 2 times what? Times what?
Times minus 2 over 3.
Times 2 over minus 3, which is same as minus 2 over 3. So 2 here 1. Let me even write it this way first, because I don't know what's here, so that you don't get confused. 2 over minus 3. 2 here 1. 2 here 1. And the answer is what? Have you written all of this? Yes, you've written it. The answer is what?
Yes.
That's 7 over minus 3, which is same as minus 7 over 3. Now Roman figure 7. Right, write that and let's go. Roman figure 7 is what?
Number 7 is alpha over beta plus 1 plus beta over alpha plus 1.
Plus beta over alpha plus 1. Have you copied Roman figure 6?
Yes.
So look at that. What's the LCM? What's the LCM of beta plus 1 and alpha plus 1? The LCM is beta plus 1 times alpha plus 1. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now if you divide this LCM by beta plus 1, you'll be left with alpha plus 1 times alpha. That's alpha into bracket alpha plus 1 plus divide this LCM by alpha plus 1, you'll be left with beta plus 1 times beta. Beta into bracket beta plus 1. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Now open the bracket here. Let's go. What do we have? I don't know why you're not fast. Open the brackets there now. Tell me the answer.
That's alpha plus beta.
No, open the brackets here.
That's alpha squared plus alpha plus beta squared plus beta.
Plus beta square plus beta over beta plus 1. Okay, yeah, let's expand the denominator to beta times alpha, alpha beta, beta times 1 beta, 1 times alpha, alpha, 1 times 1, 1. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? So that becomes alpha squared plus beta squared. The numerator becomes alpha squared plus beta squared plus alpha plus beta. Now denominator, alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1. Do you understand that? We already got a value for alpha squared plus beta squared, so let's put it. Let's just use it. But you make sure that that value is correct. What did you get for alpha squared plus beta squared? So alpha squared plus beta squared is 61 over 4 plus alpha plus beta is what? 7 over 2. Divided by what? Alpha beta is minus 3 over 2. Don't write yet. No, minus 3 over 2 plus, let's finish this one, plus alpha plus beta is 7 over 2 plus 1. Do you understand? So now let's go. 61 over 4 plus 7 over 2. I'm not cleaning that part. Let me write the final answer. Don't write yet. 61 over 4. So let's continue this one. That's equal to 61 over 4 plus 7 over 2 is what? I think we should do, let's do this one somewhere and just write the answer. Do you understand?
Yes.
Let's go. The LCM is what? 4. 4 divided by 4, 1 times 61. 61 plus 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 times 7, 14. That's what? 75 over 4.
Yes.
Divided by, let's do the denominator 2 separately. Minus 3 over 2 plus 7 over 2 plus 1 over 1. What's the LCM
2.
of the denominators? 2 divided by 2, 1 times minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 divided by 2, 1 times 7, 7. Plus 2 divided by 1, 2 times 1, 2. Minus 3 plus 7 is what? 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. And that's 3. Is that clear? Which is equal to what? 75 over 4 times 1 over 3. Divided by 3 over 1 means times 1 over 3. 3 here 1, 3 is 75. 25. Exactly. And the answer is 25 over 4. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. That's the final answer. Finish that, finish that, finish that. Roman figure 8 is what?
Alpha plus 1 plus beta over beta plus 1.
Beautiful. What's the LCM of the denominators? Alpha plus 1 times what? Beta plus 1. When you divide this LCM by alpha plus 1, you'll be left with beta plus 1. That's alpha into bracket. Beta plus 1 plus. Divide this LCM by beta plus 1, you'll be left with alpha plus 1 times beta. That's beta into bracket. Alpha plus 1. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Write it, write it, write it, write it. Write it, and that's equal to what?
That's equal to alpha.
Open bracket. Alpha beta plus alpha plus what? Plus what?
Alpha beta plus alpha plus beta. Alpha beta.
And open the second bracket. Open these two now.
Alpha beta plus beta.
Plus beta. Beautiful. Over. There is no alpha plus 1, so we have to expand. Alpha times beta. Alpha beta. Alpha times 1 alpha. 1 times beta. Beta. 1 times 1 1. Do you understand? So what do we have here? The numerator will be alpha beta. No. Let me just write the answer. Alpha beta plus alpha beta. That's 2 alpha beta plus alpha plus beta. Do you understand? Are you sure? The denominator, alpha, it remains what it is. Over alpha beta plus alpha plus beta. Right. Have you written that? Make sure you're writing well. Have you written that? Can we go now? So what is alpha beta? Minus 3 over 2. Alpha plus beta, 7 over 2. All over alpha beta is minus 3 over 2. Alpha plus beta is 7 over 2 plus 1. Is that clear?
Yes.
So what does this become? Look at that. This becomes 2 here 1, 2 here 1. That's minus 3 plus 7 over 2. Is that clear? Over minus 3 over 2 plus 7 over 2. That's what? That's 4 over 2, which is 2. Do you know? Minus 3 over 2 plus 7 over 2. That's 4 over 2. 4 over 2 is 2. 2 plus 1. And that means what? Do this one separately. Minus 3 plus 7 over 2 is what? LCM is 2. 2 in 1. 2 divided by 1, 2 times minus 3, minus 6 plus 2 divided by 2, 1 times 7, 7. That's 1 over 2. Do you understand?
Yes.
So the numerator is 1 over 2 divided by 3, which is 1 over 2 times. Divided by 3 over 1 means times 1 over 3. Have you written all of that? Have you written all of that? You don't want to answer. Have you written all of that? So the answer is 1 over 6. What's Roman figure 9?
Roman figure 9.
Finish this one before you go to Roman figure 9. Roman figure 9, what's the question?
Alpha over beta plus beta over.
That's a piece of cake. Alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. The LCM is alpha beta. Alpha beta divided by beta is what?
Oh, that's beta.
Alpha beta divided by beta is what?
Divided by 2. That's alpha.
Alpha times alpha.
Alpha times what? Alpha. Alpha
Alpha.
times alpha.
Yes.
That's alpha squared.
Plus alpha beta divided by alpha is what?
Alpha beta. That's alpha.
Alpha beta divided by alpha is what?
That's beta.
Beta times beta.
That's beta squared.
Beta squared. Beautiful. So that's what did we get for alpha squared plus beta squared? You don't have to find it again, you already have it. What did you get for alpha squared plus beta squared? 61 over 4. So that means 61 over 4 divided by what is alpha beta?
Alpha beta. Minus 3 over 2.
Minus 3 over 2. So that means 61 over 4 times what?
Minus 2 over 3.
Times
Minus 2 over 3.
minus 2 over 3. I think I love the way you always do that. But I want to be sure that you're not getting confused. Beautiful. Times over minus 3. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. You can write as 2 here 1, 2 here 2. And that's 61 over minus 6. Exactly. And that's the same as minus 61 over. I love the way you always know that the minus is going to the numerator will have a negative sign. That's it. Now to the next one, to the last one, we might have got 10. So what's the last one? We might have got 10.
3 over alpha plus 3 over beta.
Beautiful. That's a piece of cake too. 3 over alpha plus 3 over beta. What's the LCM? Alpha beta. Alpha beta divided by alpha is beta times 3. 3 beta plus alpha beta divided by beta is alpha times 3. 3 alpha. Have you written that?
Yes.
And that means what? That's equal to what? 3 into bracket alpha plus beta over alpha beta. Which is what? 3 into bracket 7 over 2 divided by minus 3 over 2. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And what does this give us?
21 over 21 over 6.
Times what? Minus 2 over 3. Is that correct? You know, it's actually sorry, times 2 over minus 3. That's what?
3 times 7 and 2.
Sorry?
3 times 7 and 2. That's 21 over 6.
What are you saying?
3 times 7 and 2. That's 21 over 6.
No, now I already went past that now. 3 times 7 is 1 over 2 divided by minus 3 over 2. That's times 2 over minus 3. Now I'm doing 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 7. Exactly. So the answer is 7 over minus 1, which is same as minus 7. Do you understand?
Because,
Do you understand?
yes.
And that's the final answer. The answer is minus 7. So that's it very, very simply. That's it very, very simply.